Welcome back to another video of the Chocolate Stocks, where we discuss trading strategy, due diligence, and technical analysis on individual stocks as well as the market in general. So if you're looking for a hot stock, I can help you find a sweet spot. And if this is your first time at the channel, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you, but it sure helps us. Last but not least, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Let's get into the video, guys. And guys, before I get started, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart that I sincerely apologize for the delay in getting this video up. I know I promised you guys on Friday that I would have another video up by Sunday, and I did not deliver on that. Life kind of got in the way a little bit, but I'm back. I'm here with you guys, and I think you're gonna like what I got for you today. So let's just take a look at the market in general. Let's talk some stocks, baby. So as you may notice in your own portfolio, today was an extremely green day, okay? We had 2 green days in a row after getting slammed pretty much all the month of March. Now, I did take a look at some previous market data, and I don't have it to show on screen, but traditionally in the month of April are more bullish months by tradition. Okay, so I expect that to continue after getting corrected pretty much the whole month of March. Now, looking at my portfolio, I am up 13% today, $450. Okay, after I am finally up for the week. I mean, I've been getting slammed almost all week, right? Okay, for the month, I'm still down. I'm still down for the month. This is coming back. And for the past 3 months, still got a long way to go. But we're on the road to recovery, baby. Okay, and part of the catalyst for the road to recovery is the huge news in the market today. And what is that huge news, you may ask? Well, right here on the front page, Biden unveils $2 trillion infrastructure plan. We'll get to that, but let's look at our plays that we've been following and see how that kind of ties into this huge catalyst news today, and see how that ties into this huge catalyst news today. Now, we've been following GVO, SRNE, DARE, MVIS, Carnival Cruise Line, Delta, SOL, which is Rensola, CCIV, APTX, ChargePoint, and BNGO. The ones in yellow ran up today. The ones in purple are still within the buy zone. The ones in red, we are still looking for some weakness, and it showed some weakness today. Now, the ones in red, Carnival Cruise Line, Delta Airlines, those are recovery plays. It's showing a little weakness. Remember, they were strong during the correction, but they're showing some weakness now. So if you're not in on those plays, there's an opportunity. GVO, let's go through them individually. So MVIS. Now, if you look here, I gave you this play on February 28th. Okay, I said the sweet spot was between 1420 and 1490. That got slammed during this whole correction phase because it came all the way down to like $10. All right. So where's MVIS today? MVIS plus 195 today. So MVIS right now was at 1755, but it hit 1835 today. After that catalyst, after Joe Biden dropped that news, it shot up. All right. And I'm in on this play, $14 cross average, 59 shares. So guys, these are the plays that are really going to benefit from that, all right? Remember, I gave you this play on February 28th. So it is not in the sweet spot anymore. It's started to run. If you win it, congratulations. You know what an exit plan is. If you're not, you gotta look for it back at these price points or wait for it to cool off a little bit and then find a better entry point, okay? Next, we got GVO. GVO, I gave it to you, $5.90 to $6.45 or under $7 at all costs, right? GVO started to run today. It's at $9. It's way over that $7 target. So Gotta wait on that. I gave you that play on March 8th. If you win it, congratulations. If not, wait for it to cool off, okay, guys? Next, what do I got for you? SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics, all right? So, with Sorrento, we had an 825 to 860 or 940 to 975, all right? Let's look at SRNE. And what do we have here? Sorrento is still within that buy zone. Last chance. You know why? Because if you look at the 3-month, it's a double up. That was February 8th. That was a month ago, or a little over a month ago, okay? It's coming back. It's coming back to this. So you still have a chance to double up your money. Sorrento Therapeutics, all right, guys? Okay. Next, Delta Airlines gave you this play on March 8th, under $47 at all costs, all right? So, DAL, Delta Airlines, all right? 48.44, all right? But again, look at how this play been going. Straight up, every day, straight up. So, you gotta wait for that pullback. Gotta wait for it to pull back to around here, around there, right? You had your gift, earlier this week, but you gotta wait for it to pull back again. If it shows some weakness, remember it's down for the day. So if it shows some more weakness, if you're not in on this play, it's a chance to get in. All right, guys? All right, so let's talk about Joe Biden's infrastructure plan. So President Joe Biden unveiled a more than $2 trillion infrastructure plan today as his administration shifts its focus to bolstering the post-pandemic economy. The proposal will put $621 billion into transportation infrastructure such as bridges, roads, public transportation, ports, airports, and electric vehicle development, okay? And that's the bullet point that I'm going to focus on, but just for what's and giggles, let's talk about these other bullet points just real quick, because we're going to do other videos as these items get rolled out to see if we can benefit from those as well. So they're going to put $400 billion into elderly and disabled Americans. They're going to inject $300 billion into improving drinking water infrastructure. Okay, they're going to put $300 billion into building and more affordable housing, and along with construction and upgrading schools. All right, they're going to invest $580 billion into manufacturing, R&D, and job training efforts. All right, guys. So on that first bullet point, Biden is proposing and allocating $115 billion just for modernizing bridges, high roads, and main streets, in addition to filling potholes. He also sees this money helping to improve congestion and also improving the air quality around the surrounding locals, right? Biden also wants to allocate another $20 billion to improving road safety. And this can be done such as increasing visibility and reducing crashes, okay? Now, that's where some autonomous driving comes into play, right? Now, Biden has 2030 vision. So what stocks can benefit from Biden's plan? Well, you could try traditional plays like Caterpillar, Vulcan, United Rentals, Deere, U.S. Steel, Brookfield Infrastructure Corporation. That's a popular play, and Iteris, which is an interesting play for roadway sensors. Again, traffic intersection management. All right, congestion. See how we thinking? We got to think like investors. If the market is going to move, we want to know where it's moving to. So, what else we got? Let's see. What else we got? Biden's plan also includes the EV, electrifying the United States. We're getting away from gas, right? Another key component of the American Jobs Plan focuses on all things electric, acknowledging that China dominates the electric vehicle market, NEO, right? Biden also wants to help the U.S. take the lead. So to do so, he's proposing allocating $174 billion to boost the EV adaptation. So in practice, this will look like tax incentives, and customer rebates. So if businesses take advantage of shifting their fleets over to EVs, then as a result, they can get some tax incentives. And this not only benefits that, but also it benefits a federal electric vehicle charging network that includes 500,000 charging stations by the year 2030. He is also calling on Congress to help the U.S. manufacture more of the necessary components. This will further increase the ability of the government, businesses, and consumers to turn to EVs. All right. So, all your EV players got slammed all month of March. You waited for this moment, right? So, what stocks can benefit from this? Remember what I told you earlier. CCIV, Workhorse, Ride, Fisker, QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS, ChargePoint. You see that? ChargePoint ran up today. CCIV still in the buy zone. Think about it. Also, consider Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK. They all saw a sizable boost on Wednesday. Don't chase no bull run. Wait for it to cool off and then enter. If you in on it, from the previous videos, we gave you, price targets. I'm going to come back, and now that this is what we're going to follow moving forward, I'm going to break down all of these plays individually for entry point and exit points. All right. So guys, you should be excited about this. And for the sake of keeping this video short, let's move on to the YOLO stocks. YOLO stocks. Yawn. Very, very bogus day. We didn't do much today. Let's look at the one-day chart for AMC. AMC pretty much stayed in this $10 channel from 10.05 to about 10.40. So rejected there. If we go back to the 1 month view, we can see that this channel came into play way back here on the 11th of March. Again, this correction, it kind of played a role from getting from this bull run down to, getting smacked back down to this $10 range. But look at the MACD, look at the RSI, classic consolidation. And I expect that AMC and GME could see a big bounce with the broader market as you see the market recover. So let's look at the 6-month view. Again, guys, we're still in this. All right. Let's look at GME. GME the same way. Let's look at the 1-day chart. All right. So pretty much staying within this 189 to 194 channel. If we go back to the 3-month view, we can see we're still middling around, but look at this consolidation here. I mean, and look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days in this channel. This is absolutely not a dead cat. It is absolutely not going nowhere. It is still in play. And if you're still in it, hold your shares. That's all I got for you. Thank you for sticking around for the whole video. And if I help put you on to something, or if this is your first time, please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to bring you more content, and I appreciate you sticking around for the whole video. I want you to catch me in the next one. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.